Hey everybody, Dr. Rafy Wald here. Just again, a quick reminder, if you have any ideas for requests for subjects that you would like me to talk about, please send those along. I love to see those and I love to provide you with information that is of interest to you. Today though, what I would like to talk to you about is the diet that generally is considered the best diet for people to be on as they get older. That is the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet is considered to be good for people that are at high risk of developing dementia. The Mediterranean diet in general is one that is high in healthy fats, so that includes fish, that includes nuts, and other similar foods like olive oil. That again, they're all high in healthy fats, and it also includes green leafy vegetables and foods that are high in antioxidants. Antioxidants are very important as we get older because our ability to produce antioxidants decreases as we age. So I hope this information helps you, and I am looking forward to talking to you soon. Bye bye.